How to identify plastic rice in 6 different steps in 2017. Plastic rice is out in the market and is an extremely dangerous product. It is really dangerous for your health, and it is important that you know how to identify this rice from the normal one. So here are 6 steps which will help you identify this plastic rice. The fire test. Take a handful of rice and burn it using a lighter, and see whether the rice releases the plastic smell or not. Hot oil test. Take some rice and drop them into very hot oil. If it's plastic rice, it will melt and stick together at the bottom of the vessel. The fungus test. After boiling the rice, put some of it in a bottle and leave it for 3 days. If mold does not appear, then your rice is fake. Plastic rice will not grow mold in any weather conditions. The water test. Take a glass of water, drop a tablespoon of raw rice inside and stir it for some time. And if the rice float at the top, then it is considered as plastic rice, because rice doesn't float on the water. Boiling test. While boiling the rice, if it contains plastic rice, it will start forming a thick layer at the top of the vessel. Take a pound test. Beat some grains of your rice by making use of a mortar or pestle. Observe the color of the pounded rice. If the color is white, it is natural rice. It is fake grain if the color is yellowish. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.